come get some, Jack. What's up, fellas? Paradox 2311. Got a couple scores from today. A little road trip. Looking for some ammo, some clearance, Perfecta, some other things. Ran across 3 of these. Picked them up. You guys know the price on those. $2.47. Found, actually saw about 20 boxes of Perfecta, but none of it at the $11 price, so I only grabbed 2 for now. And found these. These were $19. 45 Colt, 225 grain. Let me open one of these up for you. Alright, these were I think these were regular price $40 and on sale for $19. Did pick up 2 boxes of these. Had a few more. Figured I hadn't shot any 45 Colt in probably since actually first week I actually bought my Judge, probably 7 years ago. But didn't have any, so now I do. Got at least 100 rounds of it. probably be another 7 years before I even shoot these. That's it for me. Guys, keep looking for all the clearance ammo. I don't know if it's just my stores, but every store I've gone in the past 2 days, at least 10 different stores, in the past 3 days, at least 10 different stores has had a shitload of federal ammo. Not sure why, but everybody's getting federal ammo in my area. Paradox 2311. Get yours, so I'm gonna get mine. It's barcode.